In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Mailchimp. Whether you're facing a technical issue, need guidance on your email marketing strategy, or just have general questions about Mailchimp services, reaching out to their support team can be a crucial step. This process might seem straightforward, but it's always helpful to have a guide to navigate through the interface, ensuring you find exactly what you need without unnecessary delays. Let's dive straight in. First things first, you'll need to access your Mailchimp account. For that, open your preferred web browser and go to the Mailchimp login page. You can find this by typing login vertical bar Mailchimp into your search bar, or simply go directly if you have the page bookmarked. Upon reaching the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email. It's important here to remember the email you've registered with, as entering the correct email is crucial for a successful login. If you've forgotten which email is associated with your account, now might be a good time to sift through your emails for anything from Mailchimp. They often send monthly updates or account notifications, which could help jog your memory. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. If your password isn't working or you've forgotten it, don't panic. Mailchimp has a password recovery system. Look for the forgot password, link on the login page. They'll send you an email with instructions on how to reset it, so make sure you have access to your email account. Once your credentials are correctly entered, click on Login to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you can manage your campaigns, view reports, and of course, find help if you need it. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Mailchimp homepage. Here you can see an overview of your account, including recent campaigns, audience growth, and performance reports. But we're here to find out how to contact support, so let's move on. Look for the Help option. In most interfaces, this is located at the bottom left or somewhere prominently at the top. Clicking on Help will typically bring up Mailchimp's knowledge base or a search bar where you can type in queries. However, if you're looking to contact their support team directly, keep an eye out for contact options within the Help section. Mailchimp often provides different levels of support based on the subscription plan you have, so your options might vary. Here in the Help Center, you might find FAQs, articles, tutorials, and guides that could easily solve your problem without needing to contact a support agent. Hence, it's always a good idea to do a quick search here. The answer to your issue might just be a few clicks away. However, if your issue is more complex and requires personal assistance, look for a Contact Us link or a support email. Remember, patience is key when reaching out to support teams. They handle a large volume of inquiries, so it might take some time before they respond. Being detailed and clear about your issue can help speed up this process. Describe your problem, include any error messages, and mention the steps you've already taken to try and resolve it. And there you have it, a straightforward method to contact Mailchimp's support team. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or seeking advice on how to use the platform more effectively, Mailchimp's support resources and team are there to help you navigate your way to success. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, strong communication with any service provider, including Mailchimp, starts with knowing how to access help when you need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you leverage the most out of your digital tools and platforms. Happy emailing!